automata. This deterministic finite automata means they have the DFA consists 5 tuples q sigma delta. See, that is only the DFA consisting 5 tuples, that is q sigma delta q naught and f. Q is a non-empty finite set of states, sigma is a non-empty finite set of input symbols. Then delta is a transition function. Already know that how to do the transition. For example, one state will take one input symbol, it will go to the another state. Then another one is starting state. See, starting state means where you can mission where it will be started. We call it that is a starting state. See, a starting state also already you know that how to represent that one. Then now we can go for that finite state. Finite state means the finite state is finite state. F is equal to it will be which the mission will reach to the final state. So that is only the means once it will be reach the destination. Once it is reached the destination, mission will be accepted what we inputted. We call it that is called a final state. Then see, already you know that one or two programs we completed that one. See, first problem is how to define the mission for the particular strings, the particular type of strings. Then we can considering the one type of string. For example, see, in this problem we can consider that show that the string of 0011 is accepted by the following DFA. See, go to the third slide. Design a DFA one. Design a DFA. I am audible, no?
Sir.
Go to the third. See, this is only. For example, see here, try a DFA to accept the strings of A's having at least one A. See, means here, first we can think it of in this problem, we can go for designing the DFA mission structure. Mission structure means deterministic finite automata. We need to design the mission for this type of strings. Here the string type is the language will, it is a collection of strings we can representing with the language. L is equal to in that strings of A's. Strings of A's means one the string have now it is a number of characters. Here character will be taken, the input symbol is A. But number of characters means it will be taking to the many characters. See, that is only the A, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A. See, it will be based on that number of characters. But here minimum is one string. It is now epsilon. See, one more thing, sometimes it will be representing the epsilon also. Epsilon is not there in this. Epsilon is, we are not considering the epsilon because of the string consisting A is having at least one A of the 1A. See, that is only the string. See, that is only the DFA. We need to design the mission for accepting all this type of the strings. See, that is only this type of strings is A, many A's in that string. For example, either it will be 1A, either it will be 2 A's, either it will be 4 A's. See, based on that, we can go for designing that. See, first step, already I told that steps of designing a DFA. The first step is identify the minimum string. So identify the minimum string is, in this example, what is the minimum string? See, identify the minimum string is, in the question itself, they clearly mention that the strings of A is having at least one A. See, each and every string have minimum one A. See, that is only the minimum string. See, that is only identify the minimum string is A. Then identify the alphabet. Alphabet means, see here, all the strings have A's only. Only A's. Here, any other variable is not there. So just it is only for the A's. That's why we can take it that identify the alphabet sigma representing A only. Then construct a DFA. See, once we can go for constructing the DFA. See how we can constructing the DFA. First, we need to go for means we can constructing the minimum string. See, we can go for constructing the our skeleton of DFA. Skeleton of DFA means only for we can consider minimum string is A. Using that minimum string, then we can go for designing. See, once we can go, see here, only minimum string is only A. See, for only we considering one starting state. We only assuming that we can consider any one Q0. I will take Q0 is the starting state. See, that is only Q0. Then I will take Q0 reads A. Minimum string is only one A is there. That's why Q0 reads A. Then I will give one more state. that state will be final. See Q2. See, that is double circled. Either we can put it in the bold. See here in this PPT we can put it in the bold. We call it, that is a Q1 is called a final state. See, Q0 reads A, Q1. The Q1 is the final state. See, that time one string, mission will give any one string of A, that time it will be accepted. See, Q0 reads A, then it will go to the Q1. See, that time automatically it will be accepting the mission. Then see here, then we can go for the some transitions are not defined in this. See, what are the transitions? See, first transition is Q0 of A, it will go to the Q1. Then only one variable is there, not a problem. Then Q1 of A, see, the string have only one A, this diagram is okay. The string have two A's or three A's or four A's. See, that time how you can consider this? See, that time we'll go for, see, that time, see, we can go for designing a strings. See, that is Q0, Q1 of A. Q1 of A is where you need to go. Say Q1 of A. See, Q0 of A, it will go to the Q1. But when you are showing this Q1 of A, if you give the Q0, Q1 of A will give to the Q0. Two A's, when two A's is there in that string, see, that time mission is not accepting. See, that's why what we are giving Q1 of A is we can give to the Q1. See, we can design a loop. See, either it is a number of A's also, Q1 of A will be repeating same state, it is referred to the same state. See, that time the string have 1 A, 2 A's, 3 A's, 4 A's, 5 A's, this mission will be accepted. See, that is only we can design that. Initially you don't know that one in the fourth step, Q1 of A is you don't know. Then after that we think it of the Q1 of A will be Q1. See, that time number of A's will be repeating also, it will be referred to the final state. See, that time mission will be accepting the any number of strings also, any number of string A's also. See, that is only this problem. See, then see, already you know in the last class also. See, that is only construct the DFA means Q0 of means starting state is Q0, then Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of A is Q1 only. Then we need to define this DFA. How we can define that DFA means the DFA is Q sigma delta Q naught and F. Then once again, what is Q naught? Q means capital Q means it is a Q0 Q1. See, we can take on two states. One is Q0 state, another one is Q1. That is only non-empty finite set of states. We take on the Q0 Q1. Then sigma is input symbol. It is only one input symbol. That's why we take it A. Then starting state is Q0. Then final state is F Q1. See, then we write it a transition function. Q0 of A is Q1. Q1 of A also Q1 only. See, this is only the first problem. So already last class I explained. Then once again we'll go to the next problem. Take the next problem. See, this is the next problem. Please note it down, this one. Design a DFA for strings that always end with 0, 1. So then tell me the language, anyone? What is the language? Okay, what is that language? L is equal to, see here, design a DFA for the string that always end with 0, 1, where sigma is equal to 0, 1. See, what is sigma is equal to 0, 1? See, 0, 1 is means the string have zeros and ones, but here we given the logic is always end with 0, 1. Always end with 0, 1. If anyone tell me the what type of strings will be formed in this, okay, then what type of strings will be considering for this language? See, that is only, see question, you can read the question. Design a DFA for the strings that always end with 0, 1 means beginning many number of zeros and many number of ones, but always end with 0, 1. How you can define the language for this one? How you can define? L is equal to always end with 0, 1. See here, minimum string is 0, 1. Minimum string is 0, 1. Beginning it is epsilon. Either we take it 0, 1. Next string possibilities are 0, 0, 0, 1. Either 1, 1, 0, 1. Either 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 also. Either 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Either 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Either it is 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. See, all this type of strings, what we design the mission, this type of strings will be accepted for what what we design the mission structure. That is only. But here see, we are writing a program, we are inputting the program like this: the DFA, design a DFA for the strings that always end with 0 1. See, the where sigma alphabets are 0 1, binary alphabets we are given. If it will be beginning, there are many number of zeros, either many number of ones, but string always end with 0 1 only, always end with 0 only. This type of languages we are considering to design the mission. But here question itself, like, clearly they mentioned that a string is always end with 0 1. See, initially it is epsilon also end with 0 1 only. Minimum here, no, minimum is 0 1 only. See, that is the first step, is identify the minimum string. Identify the minimum string is 0 1. Identify the minimum string is 0 1. Then what is a sigma? Sigma is already in the question itself they're given. Sigma is 0, 1. Then we can go for the designing a skeleton of DFA. Means initially we take it the Q0 state. So means we can take it any one state, that is a Q0 state. I will consider that is a starting state, always representing starting state is like this. Then Q0 reads 0, it will go to the Q1. So I will take Q1 is another one state. Q1 reads 1, then it will go to the Q2. The Q2 will be the final state. So now you are clear. See, initially we take it this. This is called a skeleton. Skeleton means we can consider the minimum string. Only for minimum string purpose we implemented. Say minimum string is Q0 reads 0, it will go to the Q1. Q1 reads 1, it will go to the. It is we defined this one for minimum string purpose. Then see, it is a string will be accepting many types of strings. Say for example, strings that always, it is not a string, strings that always end with 0 1, but the strings will be 0 0 0 1, 1 1 0 1. There are many types of strings, but always that string is end with only 0 1. But see, that time how you can define this? How you can define this means we can go for implementing a undefined states. Undefined states are the Q0 of 1. Q0 of 1 is we don't know where it will be go. See, that is a Q0 of 0 is it is undefined. Q1 of 0 also undefined. The Q2 of 0 and 1 also undefined. But for example, see, Q0 of 1. See, in the sometimes string start with 1, start with 1, then it is end with the number of ones, either it is a 1 only. See, for example, strings are 101, 1101, 11101. See, 11101, either 111001. See, that time, see, that type of strings will be accepted when you are giving Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. See, initially number of ones, then but end with 01. Q0 reads 1, then it will be keep in same state. When it is keep in the same state, see, that time it will be taking the end with 0. See, that is only, for example, you can take the L is equal to, the language is equal to 101. For example, 101, 1101, then 11101. Either you take it 4101, 5101, that type of strings. When it will be in the, that, see, that also same string. That is only the string is always end with 01. But beginning there anything, either it is zeros, either it is ones. Then these are the one type. 1001. See, that time what we can do, Q0 reads 1, we can put it into the same state. Here we can put it in the loop. See, that time this type of strings will be accepted for this mission. See, that is only the Q0 reads 1, it will be Q0. For example, you can take it 101, 1101. See, for example, 1101 means Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Then Q0 of 0 is Q1. Q1 of 1 is Q2. Then it will reach to the final state. For example, 11101. You take it 11101. See, that is in beginning it will be 3 ones, then end with 01. Then Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Q0 of 1 is Q0. The loop will be repeating. Then after end with 01 is then Q0 of 0 is Q1. Q1 of 1 is Q2. See, this type of strings. For example, 3 ones, 5 ones also, it will be in the same state. Then it will be continue of the end with, it will reach the final state. Then see, after that it will come to the Q1. Q1 of q1 of 0, see q1 of c, that is only it is not defined. Q1 of 0 you don't know. For example, it will start with number of ones, then in between number of zeros, either two zeros, 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1, then 0 0 0 0 1 1, either 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. See this type of, for example, q0 of 0 is q1, then one more q1 of 0 we are not defined anywhere. See if you see q0 of 1 is, then we can give it in the q1 only, then q1 of 1 is q2. See for example, two zeros, then 1 0 0 1. See that type of strings if you give like this, then only it will be accepted. For example, number of ones, number of zeros, then 0 1. For example, 1 1 1 0 0, then 0 1, means a string of four ones, means 5 ones and 5 zeros, but beginning it is a 4 ones, 1 1 1 1 0 0 0, then 0 1. See that time says q0 of 1 is keep repeating there, then q1 of 0 means keep repeating there, then once again the last one it will go to the q2. See that time, that type of strings will be accepted when you are giving to the q1 of 0 is q0 only. See that is only the mission structure. For example, sometimes q0 of, see 0 1 0 1, then 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. See mission will be 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. See that time q0 of 0 q1, q1 of 1 q2, then what about remaining? Then the string will be end with 0 1 only, but here we are giving 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0, then 0 1. See that time how you can define that one. For example, it is keep repeating of number of ones, we can write it q2 of 0. q2 of 0 is always give to the q1, because string is always, for example, 1, then if you have one more 0, then 1. See string is always end with 0 1. See that's why q2 of 0 we can give to the q1, then you have one more 1, it will go to the q2. See then it will be ending the loop. See then if you have q2 of 1 is after 1 you have 0 1, because the string is not end with 1 1, string is always end with 0 1 only. That's why if mission is already in the q2 state, you have 0 1, that time you have 0, one more 0 is there, means 100% you have one more 1. See that's why q2 of 0 is, q2 of 1 is, we can go to the q0, then once again it is 0 and 1. Then if you q2 of 0, mission is in the q2 state, you have 0 means, then if you have one more 1, see that's why q2 of 0 we can give to the q1, the q1 of 1 it will go to the q2. So then it will be reaching to the final state. Students, if you are not understanding, once again I will repeat this one. If you clear this one, this diagram, why I am giving q0 of 1 is q0, q1 of 0 is q1, q2 of 0 is q1, q2 of 1 is q0. To clear this one, I am audible, no?
Yes, sir.
Then if you have any doubt, who is Banana?
Sir, that is Vignesh, sir. Sorry, my name is weird.
Okay, Vignesh. Now you are clear why we can give one q0 of 1 is q0, q0 of 1 is q0, q1 of 0 is q1 only, q2 of 0 is q1, q2 of 1 is q0. Clear? Vignesh told clear. What about remaining peoples?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See one more thing. See why we take it q0 of q0 of 1 is q0 means sometimes the mission will be repeating number of ones in the beginning, always end with 0 1. See that type of strings will be accepted when you are giving the q0 of 1 is this one. Then q1 of 0 is sometimes number of zeros in beginning, then end with 0 1. See that is end with 0, either it is number of ones, either number of zeros, end with 0 1. See that time we can give it to the q1 of 0 is q1 only. Then come to the Q2 of 0. See, Q2 of 0, why we can give a Q1? After 0, 100% you have one more 1. See, that's why Q2 of 0 will be Q to the Q1. Then after 0, then it will go to the, reading the 1, it will go to the final state. Then Q2 of 1 is, Q2 of 1 is always, if mission is in the Q2 state, if you have one more 1, then you have 100% you have 0 1. See, that's why Q2 of 0, Q2 of 1 is always go to the Q0. That is, it is after that 0, then it will be one more 0 1. See, that is only. Then after that we can go for defining the, constructing the DFA according to what are the transitions we are given. See, that is only the, go to the Q0. Q0 is starting state. Q0 of 0 is Q1. Q0 of 1 is then Q1 of 1 is Q2. Then Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Q1 of 0 is Q0. Then Q2 of 0 is Q1. Q2 of 0 is Q1. Then Q2 of 1 is Q0. See, this is only the final DFA for this strings, this type of string. Then how you can define this? The DFA is defined as 5 tuples. D is equal to Q, sigma, delta, Q naught, and F. The where Q is, what are the states? We can consider the 3 states, Q0, Q1, Q2. Then sigma is, there are 2 input symbols, 0 and 1. The starting state is Q0, the final state is Q2. Then how to draw the transition function? The transition of Q0 of 0 is Q1, Q0 of 1 is end with 0 1 only. See, that is only the transition table what we consider. Students, you can check it. I will give one string. You can check what we design the machine is accepted or not. For example, 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Take the string. Take the string is 0 1 0 1 0 1. See, that string is end with 0 1 only. But you check it, that string is accepted this diagram or not. Students, you can try that one. Take the string 0 1 0 1 0 1. You take this is a string. You check this string is accepted this DFA or not. But see, that is only the problem. String it always end with 0 1. In this string also end with 0 1 only. 0 1 0 1 0 1. You check it first. See, string have first is 0. Mission is in the starting state Q0. Q0 reads 0. It will go to the Q1. Then mission have 1. So string have 1. Q1 is reads 1. It will go to the Q2. After that mission have 0. See, that time Q2 reads 0. It will come to the Q1. After that string have 1. Then Q1 reads 1, it will go to the Q2. Then once again, Q2 reads once again, if you have one more 0, Q2 reads 0, it will come to the Q1. Then Q1 reads 1, then it will go to the Q2. So after completing the string elements, then mission will be in the final state. See, this string will be accepted your mission. Clear? Students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes.
Take one more string, Shiva. See, for example, 1 1 1 0 0 0, then 0 1. For example, 4 ones, 4 zeros, then 0 1. Means 4 ones, 5 zeros, 1. You take that string and check it, the mission will be accepted or not.
Accepted, sir.
Because, for example, string have 4 ones initially, Q0 of 1 will be Q0. Keep repeating the 4 ones also, mission will be, after reading the R 4 ones, mission will be in the Q0 only. Then Q0 reads 0, it will go to the Q1. After reading 4 zeros, Q1 of 0, it will be in same state, Q1 state. After reading the Q1, 1, last one, it will reach the final state. So that time mission will be accepted, that string also. Either you take it 5 zeros, 5 ones, 0 1. 5 zeros, 5 ones, then 0 1. So for example, 5 zeros means Q0 reads first 0, it will read. Q0 reads 0, it will go to the Q1. After 4 zeros, Q1 reads 0, it will be repeating in same state. After that, it will first one, Q1 of 1, it will go to the Q2. Then once again, one more 1, it will go to the Q2 of 1, it will come to the Q0. Keep repeating of that one. Finally, string end with 0 1. Q0 reads Q1, Q0. Q2. See, that time mission will be accepted that type of strings, all this type of strings. See, that is only the. Now you are clear. If you clear means I will go to the next problem. What's Neha? If you have
No,
any
sir.
doubt.
No, sir. No doubts.
Okay. Ma. See, then go to the next problem. See, design a DFA to accept the set of strings of zeros and ones end with 1 1.
Sir,
What, Shiva?
sir, what if Q0 reads 1, sir?
Previous problem, no?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Q0?
What if Q0 reads 1?
Q0 reads 1, it will be Q0 only. Shiva.
Oh, yes, sir.
For example, see, number of ones, 11101. See, it will be, you can check it. For example, see, in this diagram, you go to the first arrow mark. Q0 of 1 is Q0. Q0 of 1 is Q0. But after this arrow mark, then you can see it 0, 1. 0, 1. See, this is like a one straight line, 1, 0, 1. Then, Varun, full diagram, you can display the full diagram. Okay. For example, see, they have number of ones, number of zeros, but end with 0, 1. See here, this is also one of the straight line. Then once again, your mission is in the Q2 state. You have 0, 1 means 0, 1. See, that is also one direction. Then mission is in the Q2 state. You have 1, 0, 1. If you have 1 means then 100% you have 0, 1. So that time it will be see 1, 0, 1 direction. Means if you can see it, always it is connected to the Q2 is 0, 1 only. All the links will be connected end with 0, 1 only. See, for example, this is 0, then 1. Then once again, this is Q2. Q2 itself 1, 0, 1. Then once again, Q0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Q1, 0, 1. See, that is only the logic. See, in that time, if you take any type of string end with 0, 1, see that all the strings will be accepted for this mission, what we designed. See, just you can try it, work out it in the home. See, when you are taking the different strings, then you can work out it. See, that time you are getting this DFA. See, that is only just you can take the different examples of strings, then work out it, what we design this DFA, take this DFA, then check it, trace it. See, that time automatically it will give the final state. All the type of end with 0, 1 means it will be accepted this mission. Okay, we'll go to the next problem. Shiva, I think you are clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, we'll go to the next one. Design a DFA to accept the set of strings of zeros and ones end with 1, 1. For example, here, the beginning there are number of zeros and number of ones, but always end with 1, 1. See, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Either 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Either 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. But all these type of strings. For example, if we take this type of language, we need to design a mission for accepting this type of languages. See, this type of strings. See, that time in question itself they're given end with 1, 1. End with 1, 1 means that is either it is only 1, 1, either 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, either 0, 0, 1, 1. See, but always all the strings, what we designed the string here, set of strings are zeros and ones end with 1. Set of strings means that all strings will be end with 1, 1 only. See, that time we can take it, the minimum string is 1, 1. See, that is only step 1. Step 1. See, it is minimum string is 1, 1. The sigma is always 0, 1 because already given set of strings of zeros and ones. Zeros and ones. See, that is only sigma is. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Varun, you can see that is only here the minimum string is 0, 1, 1, 1. Then sigma is 0, 1. When you can go for writing the skeleton, we consider Q0 is a starting state. Q0 reads 1, it will be go to the Q1. Q1 reads 1, it will go to the Q2. The Q2 will be the final state. See, this is only when we can go for writing a skeleton. It is very important. We can write it as skeleton is always for the minimum string. The minimum string is accepted. Then then only we can go for the undefined transitions. Undefined transition means q0 of 0, where it will be go, we don't know that. Then Varun, ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Varun. Oh, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. The q0 undefined states are q0 of 0 is you don't know that. q1 of 0 also you don't know. Then q2 of 0 and q2 of 1 also we don't know that one. See, then how you can find that one? q0 of 0. For example, see the string beginning there are many zeros but end with 1 1. See, that time we can go for q0 of 0 is always q0 only, because the string start with zeros, then only it will come to the 1 1. See, that is a q0 of 0, it will be many 1 1s, then it is end with 1 1. Then come to that in between, for example, q1 of 0. The q1 of 0 means, for example, q1 of 0 is you have 0 after reading number of zeros, number of ones, after 1 you have one more 0 means you need to write it q1 of 0 is q1 only. The q1 of 0 is q1. See, that time either q1 of 0 will give to the q0, because after 0 then once again many number of ones. q1 of 0 is q0, because string is always end with 1 1. When it is in the 1, q1 of 0, it will come to the, after reading 1 it will come to the q0. Then if you have one more 2 ones, that's why q1 of 0 will give to the q0, then once again it will be 1 1. It is not q1 of 0 is q1, because after 0 if you have one more 1 also it will reach to the final state. See, that's why q1 of 0 is q0. After once it is in between it will come to the 0. See, that time once again will go to the starting state. After that it will be end with 1 1. See, that is only the q0 of 0 is q1 of 0 is q0. q0 of 0 also q0. q1 of 0 also q0. See, that is only the starting state. For example, that is only, say, mission will be in the, see, the string have number of zeros. See, that time it will be reading the q0 of 0 will be the loop, then it will be end with 1 1. q0 of 1 is q1, q1 of 1 is q2. Then once again after reading the q0 of 1 is q1, then if you have one more 0 means, see, that time q1 of 0 is q0, q1 of 0 is q0. Then see, why we can go for the q1 of 0 is q0 means it is end with 1 1. That's why q1 of 0 it will go to the q0, then it will be end with after that 1 1 1 only. Then mission will be in the q2 state. When it is in the mission is in the q2 state, see, that time then q2 of 0 is always q0 only, because see, after reading number of characters, mission is already in the q2 state. Then if you have 0 means, then if you have one more 1 1, because string end with 1 1 only. See, that time q2 of 0 is q0 only. q2 of 0 is q0. Then after that it will be end with 1 1 1. Then q2 of 1 is after 1, if mission is in the q2 state, if you have one more 1 means, then once again q2 of 1 is, see, it will come to the 1. Then if you have one more means q2 of 1 is q2 only. See, q2 of 1 is q2 only, because any number of ones also it will be end with 1 1 1 only. See, that is only q0 of 0 is q0, q1 of 0 is q0, q2 of 0 also q0, because string end with 1 1 1. Now, see, the step identify the transition is not defined. That is only these are the steps we are not defined. q0 of 0, because the string can be begin with any number of zeros. Then the delta is q1 of 0, it is 0. The string can have any number of zeros as the substring, but has end with 1 1. See, that is only the string can have any number of zeros as the substring, but has to be end with 1 1. Then another q2 of 0 is 0. The string has to end with 1 1. See, always it is end with 1 1. Then another one is string, the transition of string to q2 of 1 is q2. The string can have more than 2's ones at end with end. See, that's why we can give it in the looping state. Then we can go for constructing the DFA is, see, we can go for constructing the DFA. First we can take in the transition state, starting state q0. Then it will go to the q0 of 1 is q1, q1 of 1 is q2. then Q2 of Q0 of 0 is Q0 only, Q1 of 0 is Q0, then Q2 of 0 is Q2 of 1 is 1, Q2 of 0 is Q0. Then how you can define the mission? The DFA is defined as D is equal to Q sigma delta Q naught and F. Then what are the states? Here Q is Q0, Q1, Q2. See some Q2 only, Q0, Q1, Q2. The sigma is 0, comma 1. Then Q naught is starting state, F is equal to final state. So I think here some mistake is there. The states are only Q0, Q1, Q2, not Q3. Then once again you write it, the transition function is Q0 of 0, 1. Q0 reads 0, it is Q0. Q0 reads 1, it will be Q1. Q1 reads 0, Q0. Q1 reads 1, it will be Q2. Q2 reads 0, Q0. Q2 reads 1, Q2. See, this is only the DFA. See, DFA. See, design a DFA to accept the strings end with 0. Strings, the set of strings of zeros and ones end with 1, 1. I think you are clear this one. Okay, today I will stop here. Then we'll continue the next problem next class onwards.